Hello, today I'll be showing you this. It's an N gauge railway set, but it's not like the track I use for my 00 gauge trains, because this is plastic track and it's battery powered. I've got 3 of these and I'll be showing you all of them once, but for now I've just got the ice out. And I haven't looked at any British trains, so I don't think they actually make British trains in this set. It's made by it's in a series called RailRoadN, which is made by NewRay. I don't think they actually make these anymore. Mine are all from the Fairbourne Railway, of course, in Fairbourne, which is in Wales. So they've been got to us because I was on holiday. They're not that particularly detailed. They're just like a body with a it's not the camera. They're just a body with a basic skin on. It's not accurate, but I like to use this as a, if I'm going out and I want to show anybody my trains, I can just take this up and it fits in one reasonably sized box. Now, none of my sets are perfect. On this one, 2 of the gangways have fallen off, so they'll eventually need to be glued back on. That's the carriage, and I'll get the other carriage out. They're always 4 carriage trains, apart from one of them, which is I've got, which is one of my TGVs, because it's missing the middle gangway, which is rather annoying, but it happens. Okay, so I'll set up my track and then I'll show you the other trains I've got as well. Just put the camera down a bit to show you them all together. There we go. So I'll set up some track and I'll show you in a bit. I've got quite a bit of track actually. So here I am for you, but realistically I've got quite a big gap here. Right, hello, I'm back. So I put the track up and now I have to couple the trains together and put them on their track. Now this is the ice, I'll show you the other trains in a bit, and just angle the light a bit there. And those, I'll do it to entangle there. That goes into the black bit there, and basically I'll repeat that until they're all on. Just trying to get this one in. It's quite fiddly. Couplers are almost like spanners in this train set. Right, last one then. It'd be nice if they continued to the series and then did British trains, I think. Going. I won't show you coupling the other trains because they're literally exactly the same, well, apart from there's a middle couple which is slightly different to count. So now I've done that bit, so now show the track. I just need to re-angle the camera. There we go. And there. So I'll just put this on the track then. It is quite fiddly because it's small and it is N gauge. Now what I try to do is I try to balance it on the track first and then get everything else on a bit like that. I have to get all the wheels on, which is even more fiddly. I'm not sure if I'd say even more, but I just did, but I'm not sure whether that'd be actually correct or not. It sounds like something might be off a bit. I can't see anything, so oh, I think I put it on the wrong way round. Yep, I put it on the wrong way round. No wonder I won't charge. Okay, so I'll sort that out and I'll leave it to charge, and then I'll have the other trains on, hopefully. It turned out I just hadn't put it on the track. I hadn't pushed it onto the charge long enough. I was just have a look the I wanted to show you for this train was here. It's an interesting system that goes in there. It does go in there. It goes in that one. I just need to place it first. Okay, there. And they push together, and they share the wheel set. And the other ends are the standard type. Right, once I've coupled the two ends on, I'll show you something else. And I'll surely have the trains running. Okay. I'll just get this on the track in a break, I think. Okay, so right on this train, I only have two carriages coupled up. Now it is a 4-car train, but I'll show you why I haven't got the other two carriages on, which are here. That is because they have the same middle coupling as that, and the wheels have fallen off the bottom. Probably in the light angle, a bit better for you to see them. See, there's no wheels on the bottom of that, so no wheels to go there. I don't know whether a replacement or if you can get a replacement, but at least I can still have the working as two front engines. I'd have to send off the orange one first, because if I show you up there, it's blocking the junction, so make sure the junctions are correct. Make sure there are no obstructions. There, ooh, it's quite dark in here, isn't it? Put the room light on then. Just a second. That sound is spare track, and now it's started the whole track, so let's have a check everything's okay. Right. Good water happening going on. Move the spare track a bit. Everything's falling on me today. Right. Have a bit of light. There. Let's end the orange train off. Here we go. This is a TGV engine. I'm not 100% sure how they pronounce it in France, and it all stuck there. And then have a crash. Have to send the fast one off. And you look there, please. If it's better to have that one there. Sorry about this. Should have checked my junctions first. Anyway, what seems to be stuck in? Yeah, oh. Right, anyway. Let's continue with the tour of the TGV. Well, the orange one. They don't go that fast, but they are still quite nice. We've got the NewRay, there's no emergency stop button because they're battery powered. Track's quite tight because oh no, now it's going down there. Send the other train off. And now it's derailed. And now that one's derailing. I should have checked my junctions better. Definitely. Sorry about this. Right. I just want the TGV in orange to do some circuiting. Sure, you can't actually see any trains on the screen right now. Right, now everything is set up. Nearly everything. The motor will come up there. I've got to set it up quite tightly to try and fit in with. I've already got it glitching a bit. Doesn't go that fast, this particular engine. And part of it's derailed again, which is rather annoying. Okay, so I think that's probably enough of that train, then we'll go on to the next one. In fact, it's out of battery. Good timing really, okay? Go on to that train again later. Now it's on to this one. Another TGV. Make sure the junctions are correct. And just a second, right there. Off we go. Much faster. This one is faster with its 4 carriages as well. Well, not as fast, but not the same. Now this is what I would expect of all of them, to be honest. Unfortunately, I don't. I'm only doing one video on this N-gauge track as it is really basically much to it, so I've just decided to do one long one on all of the trains together. I think we get a nice shot over here, to be honest. Here we go. If my camera hadn't fallen on it. Everything's going wrong in this video. It's one of the videos with most mistakes on made by me. Because this tripod doesn't like stay out. I just have to go around 2 times and then go on to the next one. And I need to stop it this time. Okay, now onto the ice. Originally I would have had 2 of these, but one of them didn't work very well at all, so I've just got the one of these now. I have to say this one is the one which doesn't work as well, so let's go. Not quite as fast as the Hornby Virgin Pendolino. And you can't even see the train coming that camera shot. I really need to see if you can see the track first, because I'm not used to this particular size, scale, whatever words are they call it. Now this is an interesting point. The N gauge overlaps the double O gauge. Of course I couldn't run the double O down there, mainly because it would lead to nowhere on the double O, and the junction of the double O is broken, but it would derail from the track beyond top. I wonder if you can get just double O N gauge crossovers. Not sure on that. Obviously this isn't like electrical rail N gauge, but for general purposes, I'm not sure. Just let this train go down once more. Shaky time at the moment, I think. Can't adjust the speed on this train, but I still like it. I always like to do something special with the trains, like speed time. Obviously these, you know, speed time. So after this gets back into its siding, I will stop and stop the tape, and you can see what I'll do in a bit. Okay, so now it's time for the special thing. It's time for the ultimate test. 1 engine, 1 body on top of the engine, 5 carriages and 1 dummy engine. The noise in the background is the train running out of battery from TGV. Oh, it's actually going now, and now it's out. Here we go. And derailed. That was a bit of a fail. Anyway, time to end this video. Overall, I absolutely love this train set. It is amazing for portability, as it's just 3 boxes I can take with me, and got 3 trains with that. Obviously not for free. They costed me about £20 each, if I remember correctly. And the track's so simple to put together with. A lot of the other ones you have to put the fish plates together, and this it just slots together like that. I mean, it is a bit like that with fish plates, but I find this easier than using the fish plates to join the track. But I can't give any of the roads apart from amazing, epic and best portable train set I own. Maybe because I haven't got any of the portable train sets. Anyway, thanks for watching, and one note. Yes, I do have a wooden train set over there, but no, I'm not going to do anything on that because I don't really use it. Because I have better things to use, like my portable battery N gauge and my electrical double O gauge. I wonder what size the wooden track is though, because I had some of it out today and it wasn't double O, and it didn't seem to be much of a scale. But if you just do the track, I'm really interested to find out what scale that would be. Anyway, until next time, Goodbye.